see 2 ticks, 4 ticks and instant. So the input come here. This bunch of repeaters is made to make the right timing of the firing of this, as I've said, but I wanted this line to be powered first and to turn off last. So this one is in between. How that worked is I have a repeater here on first tick because I wanted this to be first. Then I have this repeater on 2 ticks just so it's right after this one. Then I have a repeater here on 3 ticks just to make sure that the power stays on while this is turned off. Here in the middle at the door I have some honey and sticky block combination just so they don't stick to each other and don't overcome the block limit, which is 12. The last line here is the red one, and it's for making sure that the water is breaking the portal in the right timing. Now I could make this a bit more compact, like I could put this line up close to this, but as you guys know, I was in a little bit of a hurry to make this video done for you guys, as I'm late with the video upload. Here I have a stack of furnaces just so the sticky or the slime blocks won't stick to the ground and won't move at all. I also have some furnaces here just so it doesn't break the circuit. As you can see, I have a lever here. I can press it. Of course nothing happens because I have the other switch on. Now I can press the lever. As you see, the door opens like that and the portal is ignite. I press it again, it breaks the portal and closes up. This is quite simple, just complex with how the circuits are laid out. Here we have a monostable circuit for the red circuit that makes sure that this only gets a 1 tick pulse. Then I have this repeater here on 3 ticks delayed just so it picks up the water just as it have fired it, so it doesn't overflow with water in the portal. So yeah, let's build one. So yeah, the first thing we need is to build a portal, and we all know how to build a portal. Just 10 or 14 of obsidian blocks. These ones are not required, but I have them on just for the statistics of the portal. Then I will place down the background of the portal so you can walk through it. Then we will punch 2 holes here for the dispensers. We can place the dispensers right there, like that, and now we will do the first circuit. So for the first circuit we will go down 2 blocks like that and have the line here. So the input will be right here. We just put on some redstone dust, and that's the first part. Then we will want to place 1 more block on each side for the cluster of repeaters. We can start on this side. We place a repeater just to even out the load, so we don't have to worry about the power going out and not functioning. We go out 2 blocks like that, and 2 blocks there, and 1 block here. We place repeaters on those and redstone in the middle of these, just like that. Now the timing for these are not complex. This we can have it like that. Press 1, press 2. This will make sure that this one is the first to power on and last. Now we need to just walk the lines right here. Just like that. These 2 will be the output for the double piston extenders. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Just to make sure, place 1 more block there to have the repeater. This one should be 6 blocks long. So now we have this formation. Now we want to do the second circuit, which is the main circuit. That's why it's blue for me. And this will be the 4 double piston extenders. So to start these 4 circuits, we need to go down 1 block and out here. This block here will be replaced by a furnace. So we put out 6 blocks like that, 2 repeaters and 4 redstone dust, just like that. And for the timing we need 2 there and a full here. This will make the right timing for the double piston extenders. We also of course need some pistons right here, just to make sure that it is a double piston extender. Now we do this on the other side as well, exactly the same as this one over there, just like that. Now we can replace this with the furnaces, just like that. Now we just need to build the 2 last double piston extender that will be above these. Now this one will be up here, 2 blocks in between, just like that, or 1 block above pistons itself. We built this exactly the same as the other one, 4 redstone dust and 2 repeaters, like that. So now we have all the 4 of double piston extenders that we need. All these 4 are built the exact same, just at different locations. Now we need to connect this up with the yellow circuit we have down here, and to do that we need to have some yellow circuitry. From this output here, that is made to turn off first and turn off last. This one we need to walk up 1 block and just up there. Put 2 redstone dust and it will connect up to the piston extender. We do the same thing on this one. Just to make sure that these 2 works, we will put a lever down there, 2 blocks up there, and try if they work. And they work flawlessly. We will put down 4 of the furnaces down here, and we will start to build the door itself. So we need honey and slime for the door to work. For the one down here, put 3 honey like that, and 2 on the side. And we do slime up here, just like that. And we do the opposite on this side, like slime down here, just like that, and honey up here. Now we will pick out a block that we want for the door. We can use planks for this demonstration. For this we just put the planks on the side of the slime and honey, just like this. Now we want to connect the upper double piston extender so it works as well. For this we want to go out from here and from here, and we want it to come up here. So we just walk the line down, just like this, so it looks like this. We put redstone dust on top of that, and that will work. We do the same thing. Now we have 2 outputs for the double piston extenders at both sides. So now we should be able to close the door and open it up. And here I see a problem. Now the door works. I have done some wrong timing on this side. I'm unsure which one it was, but it works now, at least, as you can see. This thing works flawlessly. Now we need to do the red circuit. And of course, stupid me, I forgot to do the line up for this one. So we just need to hook it up for the yellow circuit, just like that. So we need to put the redstone up here, and here we want to invert the signal, so it looks like that. We have the redstone torch down here, and yeah. Now this should activate when we open the door. And for the last circuit, the red one, we need a output from here, a repeater, a piston, a block on top, and a repeater out like that. This is a monostable circuit to make the output to be a 1-tick pulse. Now we just need to extend this up to this one, just like that. And for finals we need to put a repeater like that. You can't put it up too close because this will change the direction of the redstone dust. And we just need to build 3 blocks like that, redstone on top like that, and on top of this one. We also need to cut off that one, so it looks like this. And the timer for this we will have 3. Now we just need our tools for this to work. And for that we need flint and steel and water bottle. Water in the top one and flint and steel in the bottom one. And that should be all. So now we will try out and see if this works. And yeah, as you can see, it works flawlessly. So I hope you guys like this redstone tutorial of how to build a sealable nether portal. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye!